Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use AWS Amplify GraphQL API. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. GraphQL is a query language for APIs that allows for more flexible and efficient data retrieval. To get started, you need to install the AWS Amplify CLI and create a new Amplify project. The Amplify CLI provides a set of tools and commands that make it easy to create and manage Amplify projects. Once you have created a new project, you can initialize a new GraphQL API by running the Amplify init command. The next step is to define your GraphQL schema. A GraphQL schema is a blueprint for your API that defines the types of data and operations that are available. You can define your schema using the GraphQL schema definition language. For example, you can define a simple schema that includes a type called post with fields for id, title, and content. After defining your schema, you need to create a data source. A data source is a storage system that holds your data. AWS Amplify supports a variety of data sources, including Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon RDS, and Amazon S3. You can create a data source by running the Amplify add API command and selecting the data source you want to use. Once you have created a data source, you can use the Amplify CLI to generate a GraphQL API. The Amplify CLI will create a set of resolvers that map your GraphQL schema to your data source. A resolver is a function that runs on the server and returns the data for a specific field in your schema. To test your GraphQL API, you can use a tool like GraphQL Playground or the AWS App Sync Console. These tools allow you to send queries and mutations to your API and view the results. For example, you can send a query to retrieve a list of posts, or send a mutation to create a new post. Best practices for using AWS Amplify GraphQL API include using a clear and consistent naming convention, defining a robust and scalable schema, and implementing proper security and authentication mechanisms. You should also use a version control system to track changes to your schema and data source. In conclusion, AWS Amplify GraphQL API provides a powerful and flexible way to build and manage data-driven applications. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a scalable and efficient GraphQL API that meets the needs of your application. With Amplify, you can focus on building your application rather than worrying about the underlying infrastructure.